It's not about where you go. It's about where you stay. Life will always be full of splendor, but in order to enjoy it, you have to be in the center of it. Denver isn't just like any other city. It's the center of exploration, where curious minds travel to discover, experience, and get inspired. There is no other place like Denver, just like there is no other hotel to stay like Hotel Indigo. Built for the modern pioneers, the adventure seekers, curious minds, and fans in the front row bleachers. This is where your travel ends, but your adventure begins. This is Hotel Indigo.